Hi, I'm John, and I'm here to read Magic Catalina, written by Maria Cristina Moro, illustrated by Monica Moro. One day when Amanda arrived home from school, Mom gave her a little plant in a flower pot with a note that said, "To Amanda, from Nana. Message, just thinking of you. Love, Nana." P.S. All she needs to grow is water and sunlight. However, if you talk to her, she will look happier. Oh, by the way, she loves songs. Amanda went to her room and placed the flower pot on her desk under the window by the bed. She was very happy to have company. "Your name will be Catalina," she said to the little plant. Every morning, Amanda opened her eyes, and the first thing she saw was Catalina shining in the early sunlight against the window. "Good morning, Catalina." In the afternoon, Catalina sat quietly with Amanda while she did her homework. Amanda practiced reading aloud and counting to 100. Then she dressed up with funny hats and necklaces and went around the room dancing and singing her favorite songs. "Isn't this fun, Catalina?" In the evening before going to sleep, Amanda read Catalina a good night story, then turned off the light and said, "Night, night, Catalina. See you in the morning." One Friday afternoon, Amanda's older cousin Sarah came to visit. They rode bikes outside for a while, and then they went inside to play in Amanda's room. Sarah looked at the flower pot and said, "What an ordinary plant." "Her name is Catalina," replied Amanda, not sure what Sarah meant. "Well, she only has 1, 2, 3, 4 green leaves and no flowers," said Sarah, pinching each leaf with her fingers. "There's nothing special about her. She's an ordinary plant." Amanda thought that Sarah wasn't being nice, but she didn't know how to answer. Besides, she had never heard the word ordinary before. Later that evening, when Sarah left, Amanda wanted to ask her mom about the meaning of the new word ordinary. But the telephone kept ringing, and then her little brother started to cry, and Mom had to go and take care of him. She decided to look it up in the dictionary. She thumbed through the pages until she found the word ordinary. Without special qualities. Common. That night, while Amanda brushed her teeth, she wondered if she were ordinary. In the mirror, she saw brown eyes and brown hair, brown skin, and didn't see any special qualities in them. Maybe she was like her little plant, ordinary, without special qualities. That didn't make her feel very good. Next Sunday, like every Sunday, they went to Nana's to share a big family lunch. Amanda loved sitting at the long table on the patio and eating the delicious food cooked by Nana. After lunch, while Amanda helped with the dishes, Nana asked her about the plant. "Oh, Catalina is doing just fine, Nana. I never forget to water her, and I talk and sing to her every day. She has 4 leaves. "That's wonderful," said Nana. "She only had 3 leaves when I gave her to you. She's growing very fast. You are a good mom." But Amanda wasn't sure about that. She told Nana what Sarah had said and how Catalina was not special because she only had 4 leaves and she was all green and didn't have any flowers or any color. She was an ordinary plant. Then Amanda grabbed Nana's hands, placed them on her cheeks, and made her look at her face. "Nana, do you see how I don't have any colors? I'm all brown. My hair is brown, my eyes are brown, my skin is brown. There's nothing special about me. Do you think that I am an ordinary girl?" Nana stood still. she concentrated very seriously on her granddaughter's little face, and then she smiled. Amanda, there is nothing ordinary about you. In fact, I think that you are magic. How am I magic, Nana? You see, just a moment ago, all I could think about was how my bones ached and how my feet were swollen and how my hands shook all the time. And then I looked at your big, bright coffee eyes and the chocolate curls in your hair and your soft, rounded face and thought how very special you are to me. I forgot all about my pains. You made me smile. Is that magic, Nana? Oh, that is definitely magic. That afternoon, Amanda went up to her room and looked at her plant, waiting for her, with 4 little green leaves. She thought how very special Catalina was to her, and she smiled. Don't worry, Catalina, Amanda told her plant. You are not an ordinary plant. You are magic, and you make me smile. That was a great story. Sometimes all of us don't feel special, but we need to remember that we are special. If you like this story and want to read more, just go to readconmigo.org.